Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Eva Dadia. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, welcome to the show. My first question coming to you is clearly you have the dollar index, which is flirting with daily lows almost at 91.9 now. Do you think further decline remains on the table?
Yes, because the US government is going to print more and more going forward. So there is no reason why it should not decline until and unless we get any trigger that the inflation is moving up or the interest rates are going to move up in US or in any other parts of the world. Then I think gold dollar index can strengthen. But right now it seems that the surging US debt will lead to further downfall in the US dollar, and I think the trend is definitely going to be bearish for the dollar.
Right. So does this actually uh, become a blessing in disguise with regards to where bullion goes? Because overall, if you go to see still, we are seeing some bit of downtake. It's the fifth consecutive session where we've seen a slip in terms of gold and silver. And from record highs, we're down almost 7,000 on gold. How do you see this moving? Because clearly, political chaos in US has also eased with the formal start of transition of Biden administration to power. Plus, the progress on COVID vaccine front has improved the outlook on global growth. So, how do you see this impacting gold?
Gold, I think, is poised to move up, and I'm positive about the prospects of gold from here. Even though there is a vaccine news, I think gold can go up. 48,600 for the February contract, good levels to go long. Stop loss should be placed at 48,350, and 49,200 should be the target.
Right. And Kunal, if you look at crude as well, it's clearly giving up gains. And a lot of oil majors are now betting big on renewables. Do you think this is something from a longer term perspective as well, where crude would continue losing its sheen?
Yeah, on 13th November, 1st of December, there is a OPEC meeting. But before that, we've already seen a massive surge. That is what we have been recommending. Now, from these levels, I think the upside is maximum 50 to 100 rupees. 34.50 is maximum upside on MCX, and I believe that the structural bull run in crude oil is looks very difficult. So I'm not very bullish. Maximum Brent 55, WTI $50.
Right. Clearly, if you go to see in terms of base metals as well, there has been a good up move that's coming in today's session. There is positivity. You have been positive in terms of base metals, and buy has been your recommendation as well. Do you still continue going with the buy? And if yes, what would your selection be if you have to look at aluminium, copper, zinc, and lead?
I think copper nickel had been recommending from long, and nickel prices, if you look today, $1233, $1250, very much possible in today's evening session. Copper 580. We have released report last week, $7,400 today. The target have been achieved on LME, and I think in India also around 580 one should book profit in copper.
Right. And anything overall with regards to on the oil seeds front?
Yeah, oilseed, we are going to see some profit taking after yesterday. Malaysia hike, the import duty has been cut, and I think that is definitely going to lead to some bit of profit taking further.
Hmm.
CPO looks down to me. One should go short in CPO at 870 and expect it to test levels of 860. Not very bearish. Already after the duty cut, the prices in Malaysia shot up, so we are not going to see major fall. So 8 till 860, you can see CPO prices trading.
Right. So that's the view coming in with regards to oil seeds. Thank you, Kunal, so much for joining in, and thank you for those strategies and views.